welcome back. Today in this video I review on Oppo Enco W51 True Wireless Headphones. So please watch this video till end and please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos. Active noise cancellation True Wireless earphones for less than 5000 rupees indeed. Active noise cancellation on the True Wireless earphones is a relatively new concept, only catching on in 2019 with premium headset such as the Sony WF-1000 XM3 and Apple AirPods Pro in just about a year. Thought it seems only natural to expert this feature and an increasing number of affordable true wireless earphones no boost of noise cancelling. The product I am reviewing today pushes this boundary even further. The Oppo Enco W51 is a pair of true wireless earphones with active noise cancellation priced far below what you would expect at 4999 rupees. In the Oppo Enco W51 is a full-fledged pair of true wireless earphones with premium features including active noise cancellation and wireless charging. This is something I personally thought impossible until recently. On paper this sound like the absolute best pair of true wireless earphones you could buy for less than. Something I personally thought impossible until recently. On paper this sounds like the absolute best pair of true wireless earphones you could buy for less than 5000. But how are the Oppo Enco W51 earphones in practice? Let's find out in our review. So active noise cancellation and wireless charging on the Oppo Enco W51, although not quite as impressive looking as the Oppo Enco free true wireless earphones. The Oppo Enco W51 does look decent enough. The earpieces have a proper in canal fit which is needed for functional active noise cancellation and a glossy finish that I quite liked the look and feel of. The the earphones are available in white and blue color options, both of which look pretty good. The fit was comfortable over long listening sessions, also offering a responsible amount of passive noise insulation. Usefully, the earpieces are IP54 rated for dust and water resistance and will be able to handle exposure to sweet and light splashes without any trouble. The charging case has a matching color and finish to the earpieces, and it compact and easily pocketable. The lid and earpieces stay in place magnetically, but I did find the lid to be a bit too loose, potentially making it prone to damage. A button on the inside is used for pairing and to check the approximate battery level. There is a USB type C port for charging and a charge indicator light at the back. Interestingly, the Oppo Enco W51 sports QI wireless charging. This is a impressive feature for a pair of true wireless earphones at this price. Although wireless charging is considerably slower than wired, it's nice to have the feature, and it worked well for me with a standard wireless charger included in the sales package. three additional sets of ear tips in large, small, and extra small sizes apart from the fitted medium ones and a charging cable.